The Chinese economy is affecting the stock market, and there's fears that it could affect the whole of the global economy. It could affect you and me. Stock prices are falling, cryptocurrencies are falling, and it's just because of the Chinese economy. Let me explain. It has an effect on the world. One, the Chinese economy is a massive part of the world and the global economy. If you think what China buys, it buys not just in China, but it buys outside goods. So Tesla's affected, Apple, you can go. There's lots and lots of companies affected if Chinese economy slows down. So why could it slow down? Well, there's a company, one big company called Evergrade. That company is a property developer. It's got massive debts, the biggest debts of any property developer in the world. And what's worse, it can't afford to pay the interest on its debts. So will it collapse? And if it collapsed, would that pull banks down? Would that mean that property prices in general fell massively in China? So you would get a massive effect, a domino effect from one company falling, a bit like Lehman Brothers, which then caused other concerns. Of course, you'd think the Chinese government would step in and make sure that it was secured. In fact, the Chinese government had said just because they're too big to fail doesn't mean that they can't. Okay, well, of course, I still expect them to step in, but people shouldn't think they're too big to fail is what the Chinese government are warning about. Right now, it's said that they didn't pay the interest due to banks on Monday. It's said that on Thursday, there's an amount to be paid of over 60 million, and it's likely they will default on that amount to be paid. That's worrying the market. Chinese economy falling would definitely have an effect. Okay, what should you do right now? Well, the market was high, and I talked about volatility. In fact, we actually issued press releases on saying the market was going to be volatile for a period of time. So what we're saying is the market was at a stage where it was perhaps due some volatility. We've got something, China, and people are concerned about it, but something was gonna happen. Is it a buying opportunity? Probably it is, but is it right now is the question, and you never know, of course. And I always talk to an investment advisor, I always talk to a financial advisor before you invest. Are there opportunities coming up? Absolutely. I think there's opportunities coming up. You're going to get some volatility, but overall, the Chinese government will step in and secure the company. They will make sure their economy continues. They're clever people. They'll make sure it's solid. They'll make sure it's strong. And of course, the global economy right now is actually in a good position, but there's going to be some volatility. There'll be other things that happen. There's never a situation where the markets go up in a straight line. And again, I stress that's why people need advice, to talk to someone, to listen to videos like this, so they know what's going on in the marketplace. It doesn't go up in a straight line, so you need advice, you need the information. Hopefully that's clear and concise. If you think it is, hit like, share the video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.